What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing some trail riding with the Overland Bound group. We've already started the trail. We're making our way to Bullhead City. And look at these views. Alright guys, so we've been making our way through the trail. I have no idea where we're at, so I'll leave those coordinates and kind of the path down below from where we started and where we ended up. But essentially it's a Forest Service road that lines Lake Mohave, so it was really awesome, cool views. It was pretty windy up there, but we're gonna make our way, we're still making our way towards Bullhead City, and then we're gonna go find a camping spot over there. Alright guys, so we made it to camp. We are pretty close to Laughlin City area. Pretty cool little spot. A little windy, but not too bad. These mountain formations though are pretty crazy. Got everything packed up into the Tembo Tusk bag.
He was like,
thank you. Alright guys, so we're getting packed up and ready to go. Make our way back home and hit a couple trails. The rest of the guys ended up doing Christmas Tree Pass, which I've done a couple weeks ago, so we're just gonna call it an early day today and start heading back home. So thank you guys for watching. Today's video was kind of all over the place. The trails that we hit yesterday, I'll put all those links down below. You definitely need some 4x4 because there were some pretty steep climbs that you had to do and loose rocks and have some good tires, so keep that in mind. The views out there were really, really pretty though. Seeing Lake Mohave out there was awesome, and we got some good footage of that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. If you guys like more videos like this, definitely check out my channel, like this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks guys.